Hey everyone. So basically, I have made a program. It's called COVID News, and it's hosted on my GitHub. Now, this is a news aggregator and teller. What this means is that it uses certain libraries in Python and it scrapes the internet for the latest live information regarding the coronavirus. This is, of course, based in India completely. So, I highly doubt anybody is watching this from outside of India, but if you are, you're going to have to replace some of the code. So anyways, I sourced the information from three different sites: Times of India, CNBC, and the Hindu. And the requirements are Python, Beautiful Soup as BS4, speech recognition, GTTS, PyAudio, which is a part of speech recognition. So if you are going to be trying this program out, then you have to visit the website and install the dependencies as per the required program or other required library, and VLC for playing the audio. You could use play sound module, but I used VLC. I guess that was pretty stupid on my part, but anyway. Uh, so yeah, Beautiful Soup is used for as scraping whatever information is regarding COVID, and speech recognition and GTTS. I guess you can guess, to be honest. Speech recognition is for recognizing our speech, and GTTS is used to convert the text into speech. So this is speech to text, and this is text to speech. Anyway, besides all of the yammering, let me get started with actually showing you guys the program. So I'm in my terminal here, and I am using a virtual environment. So let me quickly just run the program. It'll take a bit of time, but well,
Hey, welcome to the
here
COVID
it is.
Newsreader program. We have selected the top headlines from major news sources. If you want to hear the news, just repeat the following phrases listed below for their corresponding news sites and headlines. The microphone will hear what you are trying to say. So please be clear and wait for a few seconds. Before speaking out, here are the phrases. 1. Times of India. 2. CNBC. 3. Hindu. Okay, the microphone is listening. Go ahead and speak after 5 seconds pass.
CNBC. Alright, so it starts listing out uh, all the headlines, and it'll take a bit of time, but eventually the audio should come. So you should be getting it, but let's wait for a while.
Trying to bring Sputnik M vaccine for adolescents to India. Dr. Reddy's COVID-19 third wave. Situation under control. Maha. BMC tell Bombay HC. COVID-19 outbreak. Delhi Gov orders resumption of driving license skill and learning license tests. Neocov coronavirus found in bats may pose threat to humans in future. Scientists caution. South Korea plans to add small hospitals as COVID cases surge. Calls received on COVID helpline drop.
Okay, sometimes the news may get repeated, but oh well. And you might find that it might lag,
Hey, welcome to the COVID
but
Newsreader
I guess that's
program.
partly my fault,
We have selected
considering
the
the
top
fact that
headlines from
I
major
did
news
use a lot of
sources. If you want to hear the news,
heavy hitting
just
libraries,
repeat the
so
following phrases listed
it
below
is going to
for
lag a little.
their corresponding news sites and headlines. The microphone will hear what you are trying to say. So please be clear and wait for a few seconds. Before speaking out, here are the phrases. 1. Times of India.
Let's do Times
2.
of India now.
CNBC. 3. Hindu. Okay, the microphone is listening. Go ahead and speak after 5 seconds pass.
Times of India. of India. Times of India. It's taking some time. Interesting. Times of India. Let's try that again. That's weird. Maybe I should have waited for a bit longer.
Hey, welcome to the COVID News Reader program. We have selected the top
Alright,
headlines
so this
from
gets boring after a little
major
while,
news
so
sources. If you want
uh,
to hear the news,
let's
just
just wait
repeat
through
the
this.
following phrases listed below for their corresponding news sites and headlines. The microphone will hear what you
I'll
are
show you the
trying to
code
say,
immediately after
so
this.
please be clear and wait for a few seconds. Before speaking out, here are the phrases. 1. Times of India. 2. CNBC. Hindu. The speak up
Okay.
after 5 seconds pass.
Times of India. Oh, what the heck? Oh, crud. Okay, let me be back 1 second.
2. CNBC. 3. Hindu. Okay. The microphone is listening. Go ahead and speak after 5 seconds pass.
Times of India. Times of India. Oh, oops, it came. Okay, so here it is. Now you gotta wait for a little while for it to actually load the text to speech. So let's wait. Oh, what is this? That's annoying. Is it there anywhere else? No, that's weird.
With 286,384 people testing positive for coronavirus infection in a day, India's total tally of COVID-19 cases rose to 40,371,500. According to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Thursday, the death toll has climbed to 491,700 with 573 fresh fatalities.
All right.
The data updated at 8 a.m. stated, "Stay with Toy for
Okay, that was some unpleasant news. Let me just quickly show you guys the code. All right, so let's do the. Oh, oops. Okay, so I've commented the code as well in case you guys wanted to read it. So, or manipulate it so that you can use different sites. The functions are Newspeak TUI, Newspeak CNBC, and Newspeak Hindu. And basically, they're just repetitions of the same code with the only difference being this link. And in Hindu, there was a problem, an issue, wherein the first three headlines were the same thing, so I had to convert the string in output into a list as sentences, and then I removed the first two sentences, and then I had to again convert it into a string so that the text to speech engine can read it. Anyway, hassle. So, uh, okay, computer lagged really hard. All right. Okay, so the following bit of code essentially does two things. It checks whether a pre-existing .mp3 file exists. If so, it removes that file and creates a new mp3 file with the news. Else, it just creates a new mp3 file altogether and reads the news. So this is using the well, this is the same thing as I suggested before. and this is CNBC. Uh, Let me quickly show you guys Hindu, the error. Yeah. So if you want, just pause the video and take a moment to read this. I'll just wait for a few seconds. Okay. So this is the list slicing thing. It slices the first six sentences basically, or rather the lists. No wait, the elements within the list. Yeah. So yeah, it's just a repeat of the same code. Now let me show you the speech recognition code. This is just the introduction. I guess I should have used play sound. That was pretty stupid of me, but anyway. This is just initiating the speech recognition engine, use the microphone, yada yada yada. The code is in GitHub, so if you guys really wanted to take a in-depth look, then you could. This is quite short because it's nothing but initializing the speech recognition, listening to the speech recognition and taking the string output, and then executing the functions within the, or other functions that are from the original COVID file. So that's pretty much it essentially. If you want, you can go and check out my GitHub. It's public. These two I implemented 19 hours ago. They're useless. Here I just implemented the TTS, but the files you're actually looking for are these two: request COVID and speech recognition.py. So that's about it. Anyways, thanks for watching, I guess, and see you. Bye bye.